What's up, everybody? My name is David Figge, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're here in my home garage workshop, where I like to work on all kinds of stuff: motorcycles, cars. Mostly will be related to my motorcycle. In this video, I'm gonna be making a custom old school style sissy bar for my 2017 Harley Davidson Dyna Street Bob. So if you find any of this interesting, slightly entertaining, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. So the first step for this sissy bar project of mine was actually this jig that I made. So I want to be able to do even consistent bends once I start forming this thing. Got some studs that I can put in to use as guides and bend points. So we'll give this a try and see how it works. All right, that's pretty good. Well, yeah, so it doesn't kink it from that spot. Alright, so after doing the rough bending, here's the results where we came up with. The jig worked like it should. I had to do a little bit of straightening, just cold forming down here to make sure that both of these bars lie in the same plane. Also, I think in the cooling, this kind of tightened up, so these pieces moved in closer than what I needed them to be, so that's why I've got it just rough clamped together right here with these C-clamps. Alright. Finished up mocking up the rough outline for the side plate. I've got it traced out onto the 1/8 inch plate. Alright, so I've got the side plates roughed out. Take this over to the grinder, clean up the profile so that both of these parts will match then. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, two plates roughly cleaned up. Got the one hole on there. Gonna fit them up to the bike next. Mark the second hole. Go from there. Alright, bike is up on the lift right now because you gotta actually unbolt the shocks down here at the bottom so that the back wheel can drop down in order to get out the bolt that holds in the turn signals. But you can see now I've got the side plates mocked up into position, bolted on both sides. take this off and finish up the rest of the weld, I want to fabricate the mounting bracket for this piece so that I can weld this in place right now, just so that it'll help assure that nothing's going to move on me from where I've got it set right now. Alright, it's a little dark, but notice the centerpiece is now in place. Right there. Alright, got it all sanded up, drilled in my extra holes for the seat pad mount. Also did some holes down here so I can tie something down with a bungee cord, or in the future make a luggage rack that can mount to those. Got it polished up as good as I would like to get it. So next we'll see what kind of powder coat finish we can get on it. We're back now, and in a really quick turnaround time, we have the powder coated Sissy bar. This thing just turned out amazing, way better than I was expecting. I had it done over at Wiscoat in Milwaukee. Highly recommend it. They did an awesome job. Alright, so let's put this thing on the bike.